Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can round edges in Tinkercad. So let's get started. First of all, just go in Tinkercad and open a project and basically click and drop a figure that you want to round edges. And right here, what you'll see is the properties. If you don't see this, just click right here on this little drop down arrow. And now what we'll need to do is basically click on radius right here. And as you can see, it rounds corners on this little box. Now, if I minimize this, and basically, let's say I will make a platform or something like that, I will be able to round edges, as you can see, like this. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to use for the pyramid, you can use that too. And basically, that's how you'll be able to round edges. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.